Hello everyone, welcome back to another session in the Earthworm structural organization. So this is the topic about the excretory system. So this is Prashanti ma'am. If anyone did not subscribe the channel, please do subscribe. Okay, next one we'll go to the excretory system. What is the main function of excretory system? So always the unique function, always osmoregulation. So we have another word, osmoregulation ke మనం ఇంకొక word ఏం యూస్ చేయొచ్చు, homeostasis. It is responsible. Homeostasis అంటే ఏంటి? Maintenance of the fluids, maintenance of the water, especially water levels, fluid levels maintain చేయడం ఒకటి, at the same time releasing the or excreting the waste material produced by the body. So what are the chief structures which are responsible to excrete the waste material produced by the earthworm? So what is the main excretory product in the earthworms? So that is urea. So okay, what is the excretory substance? Nitrogenous waste is urea. That's why earthworm is a ureotelic animal. So earthworm is also known as ureotelic animal. Why? Because it is excreting the nitrogenous waste is urea. Okay, so what are the structures here? See, it contains, so in the earthworm it contains the coiled tubular structures. This coiled tubular structures, coiled tubes. Okay, so this coiled tubular structures also known as nephridium, and this nephridium based on its location, for example, if it is present in the septum, so that nephridia will be septal nephridia. In that way the nephridiums are divided into three types based on its location or site. So here how many types? Three types: septal nephridia, integumentary nephridia and pharyngeal nephridia. So septal nephridia is located in between 15 to 16 segments, 15-16 ki madhyalo. Okay, 15-16 segment to the last 15 segment 16 segment దగ్గర స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి లాస్ట్ సెగ్మెంట్ వరకు ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ నెఫ్రిడియా ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ సెప్టల్ నెఫ్రిడియా. సో సెప్టల్ నెఫ్రిడియా దగ్గర మనకి ఇంకొక పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఓపెన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ నెఫ్రిడియా. ఓపెన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ నెఫ్రిడియా అంటే ఏంటంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ నెఫ్రిడియల్ ట్యూబ్, సో నెఫ్రిడియల్ ట్యూబ్ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ నెఫ్రిడియోపోర్, అంటే ఆ ఎడ్జ్ దగ్గర ఒక చిన్న హోల్ లాంటిది ఉంటే, సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలీజింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద ఎక్స్టీరియర్ పోర్షన్, so that type of nephridia, ante in the presence of nephridiopores, that nephridium will be open type of nephridia. Very very important. After that we have closed type of nephridia also. Closed type of nephridia lo emem unnai, integumentary and pharyngeal nephridia both are comes under closed type of nephridia. So why closed type of nephridia? Because it does not contain nephridiopores. Nephridiopores are absent. Very very important point. Note down in your books, right? So integumentary nephridia ekkadi nunchi start avutundi? It starts from third segment to the last segment. Then pharyngeal nephridia is going to present in 4th and 5th and 6th segments. In these three segments pharyngeal nephridia is going to present. So this integumentary and pharyngeal nephridia both are closed nephredias. Okay, closed nephredias. So segments గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సెప్టల్ నెఫ్రిడియా 15-16 మిడిల్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి లాస్ట్ సెగ్మెంట్ వరకు ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఇంటెగ్యుమెంటరీ నెఫ్రిడియా, ఇంటెగ్యుమెంట్ అంటేనే ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ ద బాడీ వాల్. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ ద బాడీ వాల్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఇంటెగ్యుమెంటరీ నెఫ్రిడియా. మీరు ఇక్కడ డయాగ్రామ్ చూస్తే క్లియర్ ఉంటుంది. సో బకల్ క్యావిటీ, సో బకల్ క్యావిటీ నుంచి కాయిల్డ్ ట్యూబ్స్ ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నాయి. సీ హియర్ coiled tubes. So one is from the entering into the pharynx region. So after that the remaining all segments it contains integumentary nephridia, means throughout the body wall ekkada untundo anni places దగ్గర మనకి integumentary nephridia ఉంటుంది. So segments will be third నుంచి లాస్ట్ segments వరకు integumentary nephridia. Integumentary nephridia అంటే ఏం చెప్పాను? బాడీ వాల్. It is connected with the body wall to the exterior. And then pharyngeal nephridia, fourth, fifth and sixth segments. Fourth, fifth and sixth segments, it contains the pharyngeal nephridia. So manaki ikkada nephridia open అయ్యే space ని బట్టి again the nephridia is divided into two types. One is exonephric and another one is the enteronephric. Exonephric ante పేరులోనే ఉంది కదా, exo, it is releasing outside, it opens to the outside, okay, exterior surfaces of the body wall. So the worm nephridia are going to opens to the exterior surface of the body wall, that's why they are exonephric. Then enteronephric, entero antene meeku word gurtundi kada, enteronephric is nothing but gut. See, so this septal nephridia is going to opens into the gut. Septal nephridia is going to opens into the gut. So pharyngeal nephridia in the middle. Before the septal nephridia, it contains forest of integumentary nephridia, means many integumentary nephridia are present in one location. So that's why this location is known as forest of integumentary nephridia. Okay, is it clear? Once again, quick revision. So here, excretion main function, osmoregulation, homeostasis, balancing of water and salts, and releasing of the waste material. Nitrogenous waste is urea here, that's why this animal is ureotelic animal. And the structures responsible for the excretion in the earthworm are nephridia. So these nephridia are coiled tube-like structures, and this coiled tube-like structures based on its surface. So the nephridia is divided into three types: septal nephridia, integumentary, pharyngeal nephridia. And septal nephridia starts with 15th and to the last, and the integumentary connected to the body wall, third to last, and pharyngeal nephridia 4th, 5th, 6th segments. Integumentary or pharyngeal are closed nephridias, and septal nephridia is the open nephridia. And again based on the area where they opens, so they are again divided into two types: exonephric and enteronephric. So exonephric is going to move towards the outer surface, enteronephric into the gut, into the alimentary canal. Okay, so next we will see the another parts of another structures like respiration and respiration. What are the remaining parts? So respiration, circulation and nervous system. So we will see now. Right. Okay, next we will see the respiration in earthworm. How the respiration takes place? See, respiration takes place in the earthworm in a very simple way because of the lack of respiratory organs. So respiration takes place by the skin. Okay, skin, that too moist skin. Moist skin by simple diffusion manner. Simple diffusion means here exchange of gases takes place between the atmosphere and between the body wall. So oxygen enters inside the body and carbon dioxide released outside the body. Very simple. That is possible with the mucus lining of the body wall. So next we will see the circulation. అన్ని టాపిక్స్ బ్రీఫ్గా మనకి ఎన్సీఆర్టీ బేస్ మీద చెప్తున్నాను. సి సర్క్యులేషన్, circulatory system. See, even earthworm also contains the heart. How many number of hearts are present here? 4 pairs. 4 pairs of hearts are present. 4 pairs of hearts are present. See here, there are the 4 pairs of hearts. So it is not having the structure as vertebrates. 4 pairs of hearts are present. These 4 pairs of hearts are connected to the dorsal blood vessel and ventral blood vessel. It is connected to the dorsal blood vessel and ventral blood vessel in the earthworm. Okay, the earthworm. So these are the hearts. How many hearts? 4 pairs of hearts are present. These 4 pairs of hearts, upper side it is connected with the dorsal blood vessel, and down lower surface it connects the ventral blood vessel. Okay, ventral blood vessel. So what are the key concepts in the circulatory system? Mainly it contains the 4 pairs of hearts and also it contains the blood glands. Okay, blood glands responsible to release two secretions. Blood glands responsible to release two secretions. One is blood cells and another one is the hemoglobin. Okay, so blood cells responsible for phagocytic function, for defense. Okay, phagocytic function means defense, to kill the harmful microorganisms and harmful antigens produced by the different types of disease causing microorganisms. And then hemoglobin is a respiratory pigment, you know very well. And blood cells and hemoglobin, both this hemoglobin is dissolved in plasma. Okay, hemoglobin is going to dissolved in the plasma, and here not only hearts and blood vessels, and also it contains the blood vessels, glands and blood vessels. Okay, glands and blood vessels. So 4 pairs of hearts are present, blood glands are present, blood vessels are present. Why? Because here it contains the what type of circulation here? Closed type of circulation. Here it contains a closed type of circulation, means blood is going to be circulated through the blood vessels, means it is not open, means it's not directly passing the blood to the body parts. Through the blood vessels the blood is going to flow. That's why this type of circulation is known as closed type of circulation. Okay, next we will see the nervous system. See, nervous system vachesi chala simple nervous system. See, here it contains the small nerve ring at the pharynx portion. See, nervous system. Next one is nervous system. So in the nervous system, mainly two structures. One is nerve ring and nerve cord, and ganglionic structures, ganglia. It also contains the ganglia. So where is this nerve ring is going to locate? So nerve ring is located in the pharynx portion, above the pharynx portion. And nerve ring, so from the nerve ring, for example, imagine this is a nerve ring continues as a nerve cord. So nerve cord contains the ganglionic structures for the integration of the body. Okay, next we are going to see the excretory system of the earthworm. So keep watching, don't skip the video.